Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set your own picture as the lock screen background in Windows 11. If you're tired of the default images and want something more personal, let's begin the steps. First, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom. Next, click on Settings from the list. Then, select Personalization on the left side of the screen. Then, from the list of options, click on Lock Screen. Now, under the section that says Personalize your lock screen, click on Browse Photos. A new window will open, allowing you to choose any image stored on your computer. Select the photo you want to use, and once you've chosen it, click on Choose Picture. Finally, close the Settings window. The next time you lock at your computer, you'll see your chosen image displayed beautifully as your lock screen background. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.